The question says point out incorrect statement about the resonance. Okay, about resonance. First statement, resonance structure should have equal energy. That is correct, equal energy. Because the number of electrons in resonating structure remains same. Their moment is from one atom to another atom, but the overall the number of electrons in an atom remains same. And resonating structure have the stability, and hence their energy will also be same, because higher the number of resonating structure, higher is the stability, and hence their energy level will also be same. Resonance structure should have the same energy. Second statement we have, in resonance structures the constituent atoms should be in the same position. That is correct. Now let's see, if I take one example here, we have carbonate ion is there, CO3 2 minus is there. In this case, if I draw the structure, C double bond O, we have lone pair, and this is O minus is there, and in this case O minus is there. If we carry out the resonating structure, so what will happen? This electron density will go this side, and as a result, oxygen being more electronegative, it will pull the electron density. You can see electron density is moving from one atom to another atom. Electron density is moving from one atom to another atom, but the position of the element in this carbonate ion is same. Okay. Second case will also be there, C double O, and this is what we have, O minus. In this case also we can mention this electron density coming this side. As a result, oxygen will pull the electron density. So the position of atom in resonating structure remains same. Okay. Now if I talk about option C, in resonance structures there should not be the same number of electron pairs. Always keep in mind, number of electron pairs remain same in resonating structure. They do not be unequal. Okay, they will be equal only. They can make a movement from one atom to another atom, but in overall compound the number of electron pair will be same only. The number of electron pair will be same only. In this case we can say statement C is incorrect, and we have to identify incorrect statement, then we can say option C is correct. Okay, it says in resonance structures there should not be the same number of electron pairs. No, there should be same number of electron pairs. Resonating structure can be different because electron movement is there. It is moving from one atom to another atom, but in overall molecule the number of electrons remain same only. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.